Back to that breaking news. A judge just announcing a jury of 5 men, 1 woman will decide the fate of Michael Drejka in a high-profile self-defense case in Pinellas County. ABC Action News reporter Sarah Hollenbeck at the Pinellas County Courthouse with the several factors that help them choose the final jurors.
They started with 90 potential jurors on Monday and whittled it down to 6 plus 3 alternates. Questions about self-defense, gun ownership, and race helping to narrow the field.
Any particular reason?
Michael Drejka watches carefully as attorneys on both sides pose one question after another to a room full of remaining jurors.
Has anyone here had to defend themselves before?
Questions about self-defense steering the discussion. Potential jurors being asked if they've ever had to defend themselves against an attacker.
Hands. You push someone, you had to punch someone, if you had to use a weapon.
Their thoughts on guns.
Does anyone have any opinions about people who legally carry firearms?
And how many they own.
Are you a member of the NRA?
Yes, sir.
Even the issue of handicap parking, since the encounter between Michael Drejka and Marquise McLaughlin started with the McLaughlin family parking in a handicapped spot at the Circle A food store.
Now, how do you feel if someone was to park in a handicapped spot and they didn't have a placard?
Race continues to be a big question in the case, with Drejka, the defendant, being a white man and the victim, McLaughlin, a black man. Most of the remaining jurors are white, but many saying it wouldn't impact their impartialness in this case.
Anyone have any difficulty sitting on this particular jury? The defendant's a white male and the victim is a black male?
The field of jurors slowly dwindling throughout the day.
We're going to excuse you.
Both sides know how crucial an impartial jury is, especially as they analyze this surveillance video showing the encounter in regular speed and slow motion. Opening statements will begin tomorrow morning at 8:45, and there will be a lot of key testimony from people that had interactions with Michael Drejka in the years leading up to this case. Reporting at the Pinellas County Justice Center, I'm Sarah Hollenbeck, ABC Action News.
And we will continue to bring you live updates from the courtroom in our free ABC Action News app. Just download it on Apple TV, Fire TV, Roku, and Android TV. We also have a special section on our website dedicated to this case on abcactionnews.com/trial.